Mangwanani akanaka mhuri yeZimbabwe. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, let us talk about a consignment which was delivered to the military of Zimbabwe. According to ZimLife, they say China has donated an assortment of military equipment to Zimbabwe, including armored fighting vehicles, personnel carriers, ambulances, motorized water purifiers, patrol boats, minibuses, sniper rifles, machine guns, and hand pistols. So this is the report from ZimLife. According to the reports, the assortment is around 28 million, or is worth 28 million United States dollars, and it's a donation to the country of Zimbabwe already delivered. So this is President Emerson Mnangagwa with the Commander of Defense Forces Valerio Sibanda, the Minister of Defense Opam Chinguri, and others who are within the security forces and the Chinese delegations. So these are the pictures of the assortment. This is part of the assortment here. Right here, as you can see, these beautiful trucks which are here, and we also have these war babies, and you can see that these are tankers. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not so knowledgeable about the military, but these are tankers, I believe, and very important equipment for the military, because when you have a confrontation, when you have a military situation, you need effective equipment, vehicles for missions to be done efficiently and effectively. And these are part of other bigger equipment. These are also tankers, and you can actually see that and agree that this is a good move for the people of Zimbabwe, or for the military of Zimbabwe. I'm sorry, the little one is crying, and I need to cut short this program. But it's beautiful, Team Zimbabwe, to have such equipment, such hardware, because you find it a time when you need to actually use these tools of trade. We disagree with the government of Zimbabwe on certain things, but that doesn't mean that we don't need these tools of trade. We need them, but not against our unarmed civilians. There are circumstances where you might have terrorists in your nation, in your country. You will need these tools. If you have been to Mozambique, if you have been to DRC, you would understand the need of these tools. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. Priorities, please. We're at peace, we have cholera, we are hungry, but you bring guns for what? If it is a donation, then I find it I find no problem with it, because somebody just chooses what to donate to you. You don't choose kuti donate each and each. It is what it is. Let us talk in the comment section.